This recipe that we're doing here, this chili biscuits, this is a 100-year-old recipe. This is my great grandmother's recipe. You know, I have it on the menu at my restaurant, and it's one of our best sellers. Which is, it's a real testament to her because yeah, it's good. It's simple and it's honest, and I think that's what in the American culinary landscape. That's what we're looking for. More honesty in the food. Like we've gone through the tricks and playing around with food and all that stuff, and now the movie is getting back to basics more important than anything. So what's great about my experience out here is how you guys, is how everything that we're going for in the States, like as far as trying to source our ingredients locally and really trying to develop that farm-to-table relationship, that's just how you guys do it. That's just how it is for you. So there's little pork liver in it, green onions, loads of garlic, and then
green onions? What kind of onions?
you call them spring onions,
Oh,
like that.
yeah.